no order. They have not seen it. This is all. We wanted to see the order. There is no order with them.
आम्ही भोसेन माती आणि ईट घालून हातेले पाहिजे. Debris उडयता मॅडम. Debris. If it is alluvial soil, it is okay. पहिले हे हातेले आम्ही भोसेन.
See, permission is given.
Government is saying they are supporting agriculture.
No,
this is what
they are doing it under police protection. The cops are preventing us from doing
They are
anything.
saying they are supporting
They are saying the
agriculture.
cops
This is
are
what they are doing.
allowing the panchayat to dump.
But why?
I asked them for the papers. They are saying they don't have the papers. They cannot give us the papers. They are saying come to the police station for the papers. Panchayat is not giving. Even the contractors, nobody is giving the papers.
So this will be permitted?
If see, we are law-abiding citizens. We cannot take law in our own hands. We will take recourse to whatever that we have to. But
Sir, but if they are not showing us anything, then how do
this
we
is
allow it?
absolutely illegal. See,
So that means?
in front of the might of the police, who are we? We are nobody. We are doing everything legally, lawfully. We will see it in the coming days. We will see it in the coming days. Coming days will tell the real story of what is going to happen in Talegaon.
So thank you, Pundalik, and thank you, Xavier. We are doing our best, but they have given higher authorities to dump this. The police, and you can see this. See this. See this. Congratulations for the power and the mighty people of dumping all the debris into the field. And they have got all the female police constables so that they see.
Government support for agriculture.
Say
This
this.
is the support.
This is the support, right?
Yeah, this is the support for
This is the support for agriculture.
PM says we are going to promote agriculture. The CM says agriculture. Agriculture minister says we are going to promote agriculture. And their own minister, a member of their own party, is doing this. This is what they are showing us Goa is going to be in the coming days. I feel the Honorable CM should take cognizance of this. He has, I don't know with what audacity they are sitting on their chair in their AC cabins and allowing something like this to happen. They only are living, they are forcing people to take law into their own hands. The cops are coming and allowing the panchayat to do an illegal activity. I am going on record. This land is not acquired. This land is not acquired. This is a real estate scam of the Panchim MLA and the local Talegaon MLA. Nothing more than that. They are cahoots with the builders.
So now they're going to dump everything out here.
No, we will see what to do. We will see next because what we are taking.
And if we are on the right, will they take out all this debris?
They have to take it out. They have to take it out. Then what? They have
So
to
whatever
take it
they
out.
dump, they have to take it out later.
Yes, certainly.
So we are giving them. See, you can see the amount of cops that have come today. See the cops.
See, we are how many
See.
people? We are how many people? 5-6 people, and see the number of cops. That is true. Now, it is misuse of the state machinery. If the state is going to allow its police force to be used for an illegal activity, what else can I say? Mr. CM, are you listening? Supposed to be a gentleman, supposed to be a law-abiding citizen. It is for you to act now. Tell them that this is wrong, this is not proper. Let them show us the papers. Today morning I had gone to the Deputy Collector's office. There was no paper. There is no trail of the paper. No land acquisition trail in the Deputy Collector's office. Now the Collector's office is speaking and telling me there are papers with us. From where did the papers come? There are papers in another office where we have inspected and said this land is not acquired, there is no possession taken, no compensation paid. Then how can they go about this? Now you have a state policy of promoting agriculture. Then this, as we have said, I am fed up of repeating again and again. But you have the community center there, which is also housing a panchayat office.
Panchayat.
Why do they need destroying another 6,000 square meters of land? When the new land acquisition act says that if this land is not used, then as per the new act, you cannot use agricultural land. There is other land to be used. Bandod Karacha Bhat Munta Paite, which is settlement zone. You can use that land for developing. Not this land. This is livelihood of people. And I don't know, COVID, I'm asking the CM directly. You are supposed to answer to me and to the people of Goa, especially the people of Talegaon. You have been, you know what COVID has done. It has destroyed people's livelihood. It has destroyed jobs. Are you in a position to give jobs to people now? Can you provide jobs, or is it going to take another 2 to 3 years for you to give jobs? Don't talk about some few government jobs that you are giving. Are you able to create employment? All the job losses, you are not able to. Then why you are destroying the livelihood? At least they will be able to live. At least they will be able to sustain on this land, piece of land. You cannot do two things at the same time. Have the cake and eat it too. Mr. CM, you have something to answer. I know you have taken rogues into your ministry. The 10 rogues that you have taken. The 10 rogues, see what they are doing to the people of Goa. Your party policy, your government's policy of for everybody, for doing good, is being destroyed by those one of them. I hope you take action. I hope at least you will have something within you that will stir your conscience, and you will not allow them to do it. Call for the file, make an assessment immediately whether this has been acquired or not, and give us relief immediately. Otherwise, I will, from my side, I will say, you are also of the same lot. You are only doing it through them. You are also of the same lot. You are doing it through them. The local MLAs, so-called MLAs, so-called public representatives. These are not public representatives. These are people who are, as I said yesterday, thriving on people's misery. You see the land there, the field there? That field has been plowed. The person is waiting to sow in the coming rainy season. And today you are dumping mud, destroying his field. You think people will forgive you? No, they will not. And I feel
they will get curses on top of that.
They should not. They should not.
Sad.
You cannot allow a member of your party, a member who is one of the person being a member of your government, to do all this nonsense what they are doing here in Talegaon. Believe me, COVID has brought a new turn into Talegaon and into Goan politics and the Goans people, Goans attitude. You will see it in the coming days. You will see it in the coming days.
Thank you. Okay, that was Advocate Pundalik, and again I'm requesting all of you all people, saying that we didn't lie down over here because here the police have said that they are taking the protection. God knows whose call they've got, whose orders they've given, but this is clearly a misuse of power right now. I mean, as much as I know that we have to respect everyone, we should not be fighting, but law and order, the police come in only when there's a problem. But we are saying show the documents and then get the vehicle, and yet they didn't have any documents to show us, and this has been allowed by the police itself. So this is what I'm saying. People will just be trashed over here. Who's got, like, the farmers over here? I mean, see, we don't have powers. They have the power. So who elects them? We are the ones, no, that elect the wrong people. So guys, please, we are the ones who are making Goa today. We have put Goa in this state today. We are the ones who have put Goa in this state today. And it's sad to see what's happening. Trust me. We are here from evening today. From 5 o'clock we are sitting over here. And it's a shame what's happening right now. It's a total shame, guys. And it's sad to see what they are doing for the local farmers over here. I don't have a land over here, but I'm worried about this land for the future generations to come. And this is why we need to come. If you have any lawyers who are there in the panchayat level, come forward and fight with your people. We have Advocate Pundalik with us right now. He's decided not to take extra cases, but fight for the people of Talegaon for what is right. And today he was continuously on the calls, getting pressure from Deputy Collector saying that, oh, we got documents all of a sudden. From where the documents came in? This is not going to stop here. If they put in few, we are going to make sure that if we don't get all the documents, we're going to have everything removed out from here. Debris into fertile land. Shame on you all. It will rot in hell.